Westside, I'm Elizabeth Power, the Director of Communications for the district. Today, I'm at Westbrook Elementary with
Adeline.
and we're going to tell you a little bit about what's been happening at Westbrook through our bond construction project.
Over the summer, crews have been working to improve Westbrook Elementary. Our most noticeable improvement is the awning in front of our building.
Over the summer, crews also worked on installing new rooftop units that help with HVAC efficiency.
The team also began to prepare for next summer's construction.
For Bond Phase 2 construction work at Westbrook Elementary, we're working on a school over the summers between 25, 26, and 27. This way we don't disrupt classwork. Thanks for watching!